The feeling is strange, it's far from the same, yeah. I need to get back to the basics.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Tay Bryce and I am back with another video. First of all, I know it is the middle of April right now. You know, more like almost the end of April right now. And I should have had a 11-month lock update up a few weeks ago. But I'm here now and I'm here with my 11-month lock update, guys. As usual, I do not have much to say in this video. This is going to be more of me showing you my hair. I feel like my hair isn't really doing anything, but then I look at my hair after a retwist and I'm just like, wow, okay, we're doing something. Because look, like, I feel like my hair is definitely getting longer. For sure, I can definitely see the length. Lately, I've been looking at pictures from like July last year, and I'm like, wow, my hair has changed literally so much. Like, it looks great, period. Like, I am mostly satisfied with my lock journey. Only because, so I've mentioned this before, I really wish that the front of my hair was a little longer. And I believe I've explained this in a video before, but the reason my hair in the front is shorter than like the rest of it is because like my sophomore year of college, that's when I was getting like sew-ins. Obviously a girl had to have the leave out, so obviously the leave out broke off. Not completely, but where the heat damage and my texture was, obviously there was a breakage, and that is why my hair in the front is shorter than the rest of my head. And I find it very annoying because sometimes I don't know, I just feel like it's kind of awkward, and then sometimes I like it, and then most of the time I don't. But it's fine. It is getting longer, I will say that. So maybe I don't need it to match with the rest of my hair, I just need it to get longer. I think that's what it is. But here we are. Yeah, so maybe over time, I was thinking like as my locks obviously mature more, like once they completely mature, I plan on starting to trim my hair. I'm saying that now, but I could change my mind later, obviously. I don't know, I feel like I'm going to prefer for my locks to mostly be all one length, but obviously, like I said, I could change my mind. So yeah, that's just what I'm thinking right now. I still am thinking about combining locks in the perimeter, but then again, I'm not sure. So the locks in the perimeter of my hair are definitely smaller than my other locks. You can just see, like, look at the difference. And I don't feel like, you know, my locks are going to like fall off or anything at the moment, but obviously as your locks get longer and longer, they get heavier and heavier, and I don't want that to happen in the future. So I'm still considering combining locks in the front, like these, like, oh my gosh, they're so small in the front, guys. Like, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should start to combine the locks in the perimeter? Like, I was thinking probably, so I would probably do these two together and then these two together. I feel like this one is not that much thicker than these two, but it is definitely thicker. So I would leave this one how it is and probably do that exact same thing on this side. But I don't know. I'm thinking, let me just wait and see what happens. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. The locks around the perimeter of my head are all just like, they are the smallest ones compared to like the rest of my head, especially in the very back row. So I don't know. Let me show you this side. This side is also like, they're all pretty skinny around the perimeter, and I'm just trying to think about, you know, my hair later on down the line, and I just don't know if I should start combining them now or if they're okay right now. Alrighty, so the next thing I want to talk about is I have started retwisting my hair every 6 weeks. Now, usually I would do anywhere from 3 to 5 weeks. That's when I would retwist. But I was like, no, let me calm down. Like I've said in the past, like I haven't been retwisting my hair every 2 weeks or anything crazy, but I have retwisted it more often than I wanted to. I have been retwisting every 6 weeks, and I have done this twice so far. But I feel like it's definitely easier for me to wait 6 weeks to retwist my hair, because basically I wrap my hair every day. Like for work, I wear a scarf in my head every day because yeah, I wear a scarf at work and my hair is covered for a majority of the day. So far, what I have learned about my hair by waiting every 6 weeks to retwist, a lot of my hair, I won't say a lot, I could be exaggerating, but I feel like my hair does not grow into the lock, and it just kind of like grows out like at the root. I can't really show right now, and I wish I did like record the before of this retwist after my wash, but I will be sure to do that the next time. I probably will record the next retwist that I do, but it probably won't be, it won't be for another 6 weeks, so you guys are gonna have to wait a little bit on that video. I'm sorry about that, but it will come. I'll do another retwist video, and yeah, but my hair definitely grows, I guess, out of the lock. It doesn't grow into the lock, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. And yeah, so I have to do a better job of separating my hair, since, you know, like I said, I wear a scarf on it every day. So I literally in the morning take my bonnet off, or my scarf, whatever scarf I'm wearing, off, and then I put my scarf on for work, and then when I come home from work I put another scarf back on. So it's just like my hair is always wrapped up in a scarf, and it's easy to kind of like forget about it or just ignore it because I know it's gonna be wrapped up. So I need to do a better job of just like moisturizing my hair every other day or so, because I'm probably not gonna do it every day, if we're being honest. I'm too lazy for that. But yeah, and then when I moisturize, I need to make sure that I also am going through my roots and trying to separate my locks so that the roots don't get married, because sis, it's kind of painful trying to separate your locks once the roots have married, okay? Like, and the longer you have locks, I feel majority of the time, the more tender your scalp gets. So that is no joke, okay? Like, it's really no joke. That is probably all I have to say about my hair. I will be giving you guys a close-up of my hair as usual at the end of this video, so you need to stay tuned until then. But I also do want to announce that I am doing a giveaway. Finally, okay? Just thank you again, everybody who has subscribed so far. I know we are past 2,000 subscribers, and I just want to thank all of you guys for that. So this is really the best I can do for you guys at the moment, but I am going to Cash App a special someone. Okay, so in order to enter into this Cash App giveaway, first you need to be subscribed to my channel. I'm watching y'all. You need to be subscribed to my channel, and you need to leave me a comment with your Cash App name. Now we're going to do some close-ups.